Now, let's go over the mirror settings, which are essential for sculpting symmetrically. First, open the Transform menu and turn on Activate Symmetry. This allows you to sculpt symmetrically along the selected axes. Once symmetry is enabled, you'll see two red brush indicators appear on the mesh, showing that sculpting is mirrored along the x-axis. You can toggle symmetry on and off for the X, Y, and Z axes using the corresponding buttons. The hotkey for toggling symmetry is X. In most cases, you'll be working symmetrically along the x-axis, and when you need to break symmetry at a certain stage, you can simply turn this function off. If you enable radial symmetry in the same menu, you'll notice multiple red brush indicators appear. This allows you to sculpt intricate designs symmetrically around a center point. The number of red indicators can be adjusted using the radial count slider. Next, let's look at how to mirror an object if you've already sculpted without symmetry. Go to the Tool palette, open the Deformation menu, and find the Mirror option. This will flip the mesh along the selected axis. You can set the axis by toggling the small X, Y, and Z buttons displayed on the right. By default, the X-axis is active. Clicking this button will mirror the model along the X-axis. If you want to restore symmetry after mirroring, go to the Geometry menu, open Modify Topology, and click Mirror and Weld. Now the mesh has been symmetrized. However, keep in mind that Mirror and Weld always mirrors from left to right when viewed from the front. So, if you want to mirror from right to left instead, you need to first use the Mirror function to flip the mesh before applying Mirror and Weld. This ensures that the model is symmetrized in the correct direction.